Guys, the new interface is ready. It's live. When you log in, this is what you'll find, and we're really excited about this. This has been a lot of work in the background. We've been very excited to launch this, and so it is now live, and we are now relying on our users, our amazing users, to get in there, start using this. If you find anything that isn't working the way it should, we want the feedback. If there is something that you wish was different, we want that feedback, because at the end of the day, we're building this thing so that you get success. That is our goal. That's everything that we do is with that in mind. And so the purpose of this quick video is to really just walk you through the main interface here. I'm going to do a couple videos with the AI and also with the editor. Those will be separate so that this isn't one long video. The purpose of this is I'm going to walk you through the basic elements of where everything is, a couple cool new features that we have for adding pages, and then we'll get into the other stuff on later videos. So from the home page here, or the dashboard, excuse me, you'll see things like your stats. You can choose the date range here, overall collective stats for your pages, usage for your plan. Again, if you're on unlimited, this is not really going to matter other than, you know, knowing that you're unlimited, and this is sort of how much you've used the site. Here, of course, you can schedule with a Phonesites coach at any time. We will be adding more features as we go on a regular basis. We've added quite a few recently, and you'll find these in the dashboard when you log in. So when things are new, you'll see them populated here. If you haven't joined the Facebook group, of course, that's the awesome hangout for everyone, and to get help and feedback on your pages and engage with our coaches. And you can also access the phone funnels training, which we are currently redoing that, but much of that is still highly relevant even on this platform. So let's just jump in here. One of the things I do want to note to the beginning here is from this help tab. Let's say there's something that you're running into, or maybe you just prefer the old editor for a little while and you're not ready to move over, and that's completely fine. So if you want to go to this help, you can always access the old version for a period of time right now. Like I said, we know that everything isn't going to be perfect from the start. And so if for some reason you're getting stuck, or like I said, you prefer, you can always go to this help and get back on over there to the old version. So let's go back here from the dashboard. As you scroll down on my websites, pretty self-explanatory. This is where you're going to find every site that you built and where you'll access the editor. If you move over here, you'll find the templates, the new templates that we have added here. The reason I want to comment that these do not have color is it makes it easier for you to stylize. It is not specific to an industry, it's specific to a goal. And we made them not have different colors, because with the new way that you can add the pages, you can now mix and match parts of these funnels into existing pages or create new ones altogether. And so I'm going to walk you through that in a minute here. Of course, the AI writer is here. I'm going to do a video on creating new projects, how you save them. You can keep them individual and organized here, and that's a pretty cool new feature. Of course, here you can manage your account as well and log out. So let's go back, and from the dashboard, like we logged in, go to create new website. You'll be given the option to create a blank website. This will be a completely blank page to start from, but with our new editor, man, it sure is easy. So, and we have some really cool features coming out for adding sections of templates within the editor, which I'll elaborate when we release that in the coming weeks. But let's just go to templates here. If I choose template, this is what I want to show you that's new. We'll choose from the templates. I want to choose our survey funnel because this one has multiple steps, and I want to show you why. So you probably noticed that one of the new features is the thumbnail preview on the templates. And when you come in here, you can also preview it before you install. You'll see that there's 7 pages and a little bit of info here, but you can also preview each step of this funnel within this before you decide to install it. All right, so let's say that looks good. So we'll go to install now, And this is some of the new features I'm excited to show you about. And so from here, we have the ability, this funnel has 7 steps to it. We have the ability to add all the pages, some of the pages, or maybe just one of the pages, and I'll tell you why in a second here. So let me show you how you add them. You just, from the drop down, select. So let's say we just want 3, go new website, and then we would just name it accordingly. Now, let's say we have these three steps that we really like, or let's say we just like the thank you page. Okay, we already created a website where we have the landing page done, and we need a thank you page. We went over in the templates and we saw this thank you page, and we thought it was really nice. We now have the ability to choose an existing website. So now if I have my website and I want that thank you, I choose existing website, and then I can just simply pick which website in my collection that I want to add it to, and it will install that page into your funnel there. So very, very simple, and this is part of the reason that we designed all these, so that they can mix and match with each other, and you guys can really create these very fast. And so for the purpose of this demo, let me go ahead and, like I did originally, choose the 3, do step 1, step 2, and thank you. We are going to choose new website. We'll choose demo 1, 2, 3, 4, and install those pages. Give it a second because it's actually creating all those pages for us. And so now from in this section, we can see all the pages that were edited or that were created, and we can go in and edit these pages from this section here. If you go in from this section, this is where you would see your leads. This is where you would configure your website. I'll go into all this in the next video, and also stats for that page. If you exit out of here, you'll go right back to your websites and you can start editing. All right, well, very excited about this. I'm going to get into the editor in the next video, and then following that, the AI writer. Again, we're looking for feedback. We want to know what you guys think of all this. Is it easy? Are there things that you wish were different? And really looking forward to that feedback, and very excited about this new update. Thanks a lot.